In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a GTD system in Notion. Get ready to streamline your productivity by setting up this efficient system right within Notion, a powerful tool that blends your tasks, notes, and projects all in one place. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you have a comprehensive setup by the end of this tutorial. To kick things off, make sure you're logged into your Notion account. If you're not already, go ahead and sign in. This might seem basic, but it's essential because everything we do here is within your workspace. Once you're in your workspace, it's time to create a new page. This page is going to be the foundation of your GTD system, so it's an important step. Simply go to the left sidebar, click on Add a Page, and give it life. Once you've got your new page up, name it GTD Dashboard. This will serve as the central hub for everything in your GTD system. Naming it clearly helps you easily access and recognize it whenever you need to dive into your productivity flow. Now that your GTD dashboard is named, it's time to create your main menu dashboard. Think of this as your navigation panel that will guide you through all your GTD components. Here, you can use headings, links, or icons, whatever helps you visually organize your system in a way that makes sense to you. The next step is to create a database titled Inbox. The inbox is a primary component in GTD methodology where you collect all tasks, ideas, or anything that demands your attention. This acts like a holding pen for all your thoughts before you sort and organize them. It's crucial for capturing everything in one place, preventing anything from slipping through the cracks. Once your inbox is set up, it's time to add properties inside your database. Properties are like categories that help sort your information. In Notion, this could be dates, tags, or any other property that will help you categorize and prioritize your incoming items effectively. After your inbox is squared away, create a new database for projects. This is where you'll track the tasks and objectives related to your larger goals. Make sure to include properties relevant to your projects, like due dates, status, and priority levels, so you have all necessary data points at a glance. Finally, you can consider adding more databases to your GTD system if there's anything else you need to manage. Typical additions might include databases for references, a tickler file system, or someday maybe lists. Customize it according to your workflow and needs, ensuring that your GTD system is tailored precisely for you. And there you have it, a streamlined GTD system built right into Notion in just a few minutes. With this setup, you're well on your way to maximizing productivity and staying organized like never before. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.